At the historic Mission Inn in Riverside, California, guests often report ghostly encounters. But here's the twist. One of the most famous ghosts is actually a parrot. In the early 1900s, a mischievous parrot named Napoleon lived at the inn, mimicking voices and causing a stir. Visitors today claim to hear unexplained chatter, attributing it to lingering spirits. However, many believe it's just Napoleon's legacy echoing through time. This quirky detail blurs the line between the supernatural and the natural, leaving guests amused and intrigued. Like, comment, and subscribe for more intriguing tales.